So I'm inside the Memphis home, and this is a beauty. Has a front lounge at the front here. Really nice setup. And these nice tall windows giving us lots of natural light, but privacy at the same time because they're narrow. You can block them out from the street. They've got a TV in the front here. On this display, we're seeing the front door behind me. Then garage door here, which is of course an office at the moment for the display. And then round into the master bedroom, which is the selling feature of this home. Again, nice tall windows. A lot of builders just doing a square frame and blocking out a lot of natural light. That affects you when you have a block close to one another, which is quite common in these estates. So when you've got a taller window, you're capturing the light coming down, and in winter that's going to give you more sun, which is needed because it gets pretty cold in South Australia. And then that also gives you that natural light for good mental health and good relaxation in your home. So the bedroom area here. Then here is the selling feature on this home. Just putting the keys in my pocket and through to the walk-in his and hers. This is fantastic. Really good space. Storage up top, and again on this side, his and hers. Just fabulous, really. Into the main bathroom, and as we can see, we've got double basins, big deep shower here, so great value. Look at that, lots of space there, brings a bit of luxury. Nice tall window giving us heaps of natural light again. So a very impressive bathroom. Tiles up to here, and out of the bedroom down into the hallway. Nice wide hallway here through to this very impressive entertaining lounge, which really does sell the home again. So the ensuite selling the home, and so is this huge entertainer's lounge, which is one of our favorites. And you'll ask the sales consultants and they will say this is one of their favorite homes. We've got some pendant lights hanging on the island here, looking rather fabulous. And then round to the highlight window, which gives you room to put in your TV without affecting the vision, but gives you that natural light. Again, a high window with these estates with blocks close to each other. You want a high window to give you natural light. Really important. I've been into many builders' dark homes. They have a square window here, it's down low, and the light is blocked because the neighbor's fence is hitting that window. Big difference, huge difference. Into the cooktop here in our promotion. This is a 600 wide, we do a 900. Making it a bit more impressive, 900 on the extractor. These are 600s, so smaller. Nice space for the fridge freezer, and then this wonderful pantry. In we go. Lots of space here. You can put a cavity door here if you want. This is a swinging door, so you can put a cavity door so you can slide it, but loads of storage up here, both sides. And then you can see our cabinetry here. Tiled this home, usually timber floor, timber laminate. So outside they've put a little alfresco here, or pergola I should say. Alfresco, we can do an over cover one, which is a little bit more upmarket. Lots of space. Down to the right we go, a bedroom here. And here we have the taller windows again, giving us that light, and our swing doors on the wardrobes. These can be sliding as well. You can have vinyl sliding, you can have mirror sliding, or you can keep the originals there. Into the bathroom suite, and we see a very nice shower here, and then round to the cabinetry and bath. Nice big mirror, and again those windows again in the bathroom at WC, and then into the laundry here. And of course we can put a cabinet here and so on. There's a linen cupboard as well. Let's take a look in there. Storage cupboard in this case. And then views out of the sliding door outside. Down the hall we've got the study area. Really nice. Very convenient for modern living. So really well planned out. Then into another bedroom. And we've got lots of space here. We can see the aircon unit outside. See how close this house is here? So you imagine in winter, look at this 2-story. So in winter, you need those high windows to get that light in. And this is a great example of it. And it's overlooked by so many people. They regret it afterwards. They get frustrated by the blockage. Usually in South Australia, you'll have a neighbour that'll be single level, so it's not so bad, but this is a really good example of that. So around to the storage. What do I mean by these advantages? Well, when you're an investor, for example, you want your tenant to stay longer and you want them to keep paying premium rent, and you want them to also be happy here. In order to do that,